Welcome to Vending University, the ultimate guide to becoming a vending operator. In this course, International Expansion of Vending Machine Businesses, will explore how to take your vending operations beyond local borders and build a thriving global enterprise. Whether you're an established vending operator looking to scale or an ambitious entrepreneur aiming to break into international markets, this course provides a roadmap to navigate the complexities of global vending with confidence. Expanding internationally is not just about placing machines in different countries. It's about understanding cultural preferences, consumer habits, and local regulations that shape vending success. From identifying profitable regions to adapting your product selection for different audiences, you'll learn how to develop strategies that align with diverse markets while maintaining operational efficiency and brand consistency. You'll also gain insights into logistical considerations, including supply chain management, cross-border partnerships, and distribution challenges unique to vending operations. We'll examine how technology, such as telemetry, cashless payment systems, and remote monitoring, plays a crucial role in scaling efficiently across multiple countries. These tools not only simplify management, but also provide valuable data to guide smarter business decisions. Legal compliance and import regulations are often overlooked, but critical factors when operating internationally. This course breaks down complex legal frameworks into clear, actionable guidance, so you can navigate taxes, customs, and local business laws without costly mistakes. Understanding these aspects early ensures smoother market entry and long-term sustainability. Marketing in new regions requires a strategic approach. You'll discover how to position your vending brand effectively in different cultures, use localized advertising, and build trust with consumers unfamiliar with your products. We'll explore case studies of successful vending brands that have expanded globally and analyze what made their strategies work. By the end of this course, you'll have a complete understanding of how to plan, launch, and manage international vending operations with precision. You'll be equipped to identify the right opportunities, mitigate risks, and adapt to evolving global trends. The world of vending is expanding rapidly. Now is your time to become part of that movement and bring your business to the international stage. Module 1: Understanding the Global Vending Landscape. In this module, you'll explore how the global vending industry operates and why understanding its diversity is essential for international success. Vending has transformed from simple snack dispensers into an advanced, data-driven ecosystem that reflects regional lifestyles, technologies, and consumer expectations. Each market around the world presents unique opportunities and challenges that you must evaluate before expanding. The vending industry's global presence varies significantly from one region to another. In Japan and South Korea, vending machines are part of everyday culture, offering everything from hot meals to clothing. Meanwhile, developing regions like Africa or parts of Latin America are still discovering the potential of automated retail. Mature markets such as North America and Europe continue to evolve with trends focused on sustainability, healthier products, and convenience. Technological innovation is a major force behind global vending expansion. Smart machines equipped with AI, IoT connectivity, and data analytics help operators understand purchasing patterns and improve efficiency. Cashless payments, mobile apps, and real-time inventory tracking are no longer optional. They're essential tools for managing operations across borders and staying competitive in fast-changing markets. Cultural awareness is equally important. A vending product that sells well in one country may completely fail in another due to differences in taste, habits, or pricing expectations. For instance, while American consumers may value speed and familiar brands, Asian markets often reward creativity and novelty. Understanding these subtle variations will help you tailor your offerings to local audiences. Sustainability is also shaping the global vending landscape. Consumers increasingly prefer eco-friendly machines, recyclable packaging, and locally sourced goods. Many international operators are adopting green technologies and energy-efficient models to align with these expectations and enhance their brand reputation. By the end of this module, you'll have a solid understanding of how geography, culture, and technology interact in the vending industry. This foundational knowledge will prepare you to identify promising regions, adapt to local markets, and build strategies that support long-term international growth. Module 2. Market Research and Identifying Profitable International Regions. In this module, you'll learn how to conduct effective market research to discover where your vending business has the highest potential for international success. Expanding globally begins with understanding the size, needs, and purchasing behaviors of each target market. By using data-driven research methods, you'll be able to identify countries and regions where vending is in high demand, but still has room for innovation and growth. Market research involves studying demographics, consumer preferences, and spending patterns. You'll explore how factors such as urbanization, tourism, workplace culture, and technology adoption influence vending opportunities. For instance, high-traffic urban centers, transport hubs, and university campuses often serve as ideal starting points for international expansion. You'll also learn how to analyze competitors in different countries. By understanding what products they offer, where their machines are placed, and how they price items, you can find strategic gaps that allow your brand to stand out. Learning to spot underserved niches, such as healthy snacks, tech accessories, or regional delicacies, will give you a competitive edge. Economic stability, import regulations, and consumer income levels are also vital considerations. A growing economy with a strong middle class often supports greater vending profitability. Conversely, highly regulated or unstable markets may present higher risks. This module will teach you how to balance opportunity with caution to ensure sustainable expansion. In addition, you'll explore research tools and techniques, from online surveys and local partnerships to market intelligence platforms, that provide valuable insights. These tools help refine your entry strategy and reduce costly mistakes. By the end of this module, you'll know how to evaluate markets, identify profitable regions, and select the best locations for your vending expansion. Understanding where and why to invest internationally will give your business a strong foundation for growth. Module 3. Adapting product selection to local consumer preferences. In this module, you'll discover how to tailor your vending machine offerings to match the tastes, habits, and expectations of local consumers. A key factor in international success is understanding that what sells well in one country might not appeal to customers in another. Product adaptation is not just about translation. It's about cultural alignment and customer connection. You'll explore how different regions prioritize unique product categories. For example, in Japan, vending machines offer everything from fresh flowers to ready-to-eat noodles, while in Europe, coffee and healthy snacks dominate. Meanwhile, in the Middle East, premium beverages and luxury items often attract higher sales. Recognizing these preferences will help you design a product lineup that resonates with each market. Local consumer research is central to this process. You'll learn how to gather feedback from focus groups, monitor regional trends, and collaborate with local suppliers to introduce relevant products. Seasonal items and limited edition releases can also enhance engagement and encourage repeat purchases in culturally diverse markets. Pricing strategies are another important aspect of adaptation. The perceived value of vending products varies across countries, depending on income levels, currency strength, and local competition. You'll study how to price effectively, without compromising profit margins or alienating customers. Branding and packaging design must also reflect local sensibilities. Language translation, imagery, and color choices can significantly influence how your products are perceived. Small cultural missteps can deter potential buyers, while thoughtful customization builds trust and brand loyalty. By the end of this module, you'll understand how to design vending menus that appeal to diverse audiences, integrate local trends, and strengthen your global brand presence. The ability to adapt products intelligently is what transforms a vending business from local success to international recognition. Module 4. Legal, tax, and regulatory requirements for global operations. In this module, you'll learn how to navigate the complex legal and regulatory frameworks that govern international vending operations. Expanding across borders means complying with multiple jurisdictions, each with its own rules regarding business licensing, product standards, taxation, and import regulations. Understanding these requirements early can save time, money, and legal complications later. Every country has specific laws that affect vending machines, from hygiene and product labeling to data protection and payment processing. You'll explore how to identify and interpret these local regulations to ensure compliance. For example, some regions have strict rules on food safety and expiration dates, while others focus heavily on energy efficiency and recycling standards for machines. Taxation is another critical area covered in this module. You'll learn how to manage international taxes, including import duties, value-added tax, VAT, and cross-border income reporting. Understanding tax treaties and working with local accountants can help reduce double taxation and maintain financial transparency. You'll also study import and export regulations, which affect the movement of vending machines, spare parts, and stocked products. Proper documentation, customs declarations, and compliance with trade agreements are essential for smooth operations. Ignoring these details can lead to shipment delays, fines, or even product confiscation. Legal structures for business registration differ globally. You'll explore the pros and cons of various options, such as setting up subsidiaries, franchises, or partnerships, and learn how each model influences control, liability, and profit distribution. By the end of this module, you'll have a solid understanding of how to establish a legally compliant international vending business. You'll know how to meet local requirements, manage taxes effectively, and build trustworthy operations that can expand confidently within any regulatory environment. Module 5. Building International Supply Chains and Distribution Networks. In this module, you'll explore how to develop efficient supply chains and distribution systems to support your vending business on a global scale. A well-organized supply network ensures that your machines stay stocked, your costs remain manageable, and your customers receive consistent product quality across different regions. Global expansion requires you to think beyond local logistics. You'll learn how to coordinate suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors across borders, balancing reliability with cost efficiency. Establishing strong relationships with local vendors can reduce shipping delays and import expenses while helping you adapt to regional sourcing opportunities. Inventory management plays a vital role in maintaining operational flow. You'll discover how to use technology-driven systems, like cloud-based inventory tracking and predictive analytics, to anticipate demand and prevent stockouts. These tools also provide real-time visibility, allowing you to make informed decisions from anywhere in the world. Transportation logistics will be another focus area. From selecting international freight carriers to managing warehousing and customs clearance, you'll gain insight into how to build an agile distribution network. Understanding factors such as tariffs, fuel costs, and delivery timelines will help you design routes that optimize both speed and profitability. You'll also learn how to mitigate risks within global supply chains. This includes preparing for disruptions caused by political instability, shipping delays, or supplier shortages. Developing contingency plans and maintaining diverse supplier relationships will help safeguard your operations against unexpected challenges. By the end of this module, you'll understand how to create a flexible, resilient, and scalable supply chain structure. You'll be equipped to manage international sourcing efficiently, reduce operational costs, and ensure that every vending location, no matter the country, runs smoothly and profitably. Module 6. Leveraging technology for cross-border vending management. In this module, you'll learn how to use technology to manage and scale your vending operations across multiple countries. As businesses expand globally, manual oversight becomes impractical. Modern vending success depends on automation, real-time data, and digital connectivity that allow you to monitor performance from anywhere in the world. Smart vending systems form the backbone of international operations. You'll explore how to integrate IoT-enabled machines, which transmit live data on sales, stock levels, and technical issues. These insights help you make fast, informed decisions and reduce downtime by addressing maintenance needs before they disrupt service. Cashless and mobile payment systems are now essential in most international markets. You'll learn how to implement multi-currency and contactless payment options that cater to local preferences. Adopting digital wallets and regional payment apps not only boosts convenience, but also builds customer trust. You'll also study the role of remote management platforms. These systems enable centralized control over pricing, product updates, and promotions across thousands of machines. You'll understand how to analyze global performance data to identify high-performing regions and optimize operations accordingly. Cybersecurity will be another key focus. Operating across borders means managing customer data responsibly and complying with international privacy standards such as GDPR. You'll learn how to protect your systems from digital threats and maintain compliance across different legal environments. By the end of this module, you'll know how to use technology as a growth accelerator for your international vending business. From AI-powered analytics to secure cashless transactions, these innovations will help you operate efficiently, reduce costs, and deliver a seamless global vending experience. Module 7. Developing effective global marketing and branding strategies. In this module, you'll learn how to build a powerful international brand and market your vending business effectively across diverse regions. Global success requires more than great products. It demands a brand identity that resonates with local audiences while maintaining a unified image worldwide. You'll explore how to create marketing strategies that balance global consistency with regional adaptation. Understanding cultural values, consumer psychology, and local trends will help you craft messages that feel authentic and relevant in every market. For example, a campaign that works in the United States might need visual or linguistic adjustments to succeed in Asia or Europe. Digital marketing will play a central role in your expansion. You'll discover how to use social media, search engine marketing, and localized content to attract attention and build engagement. Partnering with local influencers or using geo-targeted advertising can significantly increase your brand's reach and credibility. You'll also study how to use data analytics to measure campaign performance across countries. By tracking key performance indicators, KPIs, such as sales growth, customer retention, and engagement rates, you can refine your marketing approach and allocate resources efficiently. Visual branding and packaging will be equally important. You'll learn how to maintain a consistent brand identity, logos, colors, and design, while incorporating cultural nuances that appeal to each region's audience. This approach helps strengthen global recognition without alienating local customers. By the end of this module, you'll know how to position your vending business as a trusted global brand. You'll understand how to connect with customers across cultures, communicate your value effectively, and build marketing campaigns that drive long-term international growth. Module 8. Forming strategic partnerships and local collaborations. In this module, you'll learn how to build partnerships that support international vending expansion. Collaborating with local businesses, suppliers, and service providers can accelerate market entry, reduce costs, and enhance your understanding of regional consumer behavior. Strategic alliances are often the key to overcoming cultural, logistical, and regulatory barriers. You'll explore different types of partnerships, from joint ventures and franchises to distribution agreements and supplier contracts. Each model offers unique advantages and considerations, depending on your business goals and the target market. Understanding which approach aligns with your strategy is critical for sustainable growth. Local collaborations are equally important. Partnering with regional suppliers ensures timely product availability and cost-effective sourcing. Working with service providers for maintenance, logistics, or marketing allows you to focus on core operations while leveraging local expertise. These collaborations can improve operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Networking with industry associations, trade organizations, and government agencies can also open doors to new opportunities. You'll learn how to use these networks to gain market insights, access funding, and identify potential partners who can strengthen your international presence. Cultural alignment is key to successful partnerships. Understanding local business etiquette, communication styles, and decision-making processes helps build trust and long-term collaboration. Misalignment can create misunderstandings and operational inefficiencies. By the end of this module, you'll know how to identify, establish, and maintain strategic partnerships that enhance your international vending operations. Leveraging local expertise and collaborative networks will allow your business to expand more efficiently and sustainably across borders. Module 9. Managing Logistics, Maintenance, and Remote Operations Internationally. In this module, you'll learn how to oversee the day-to-day operations of vending machines across multiple countries efficiently. Expanding globally means managing machines that are dispersed geographically, often in different time zones, climates, and regulatory environments. Streamlined logistics and maintenance strategies are essential to ensure machines remain operational and profitable. You'll explore methods for inventory management, including forecasting demand, tracking stock levels, and automating replenishment. Using digital tools to monitor machine performance remotely allows you to identify potential issues before they become costly problems. Predictive maintenance can reduce downtime and extend the lifespan of your equipment. Transportation logistics will also be covered. You'll learn how to coordinate shipments of products, spare parts, and vending machines themselves, taking into account customs, import regulations, and regional delivery constraints. Efficient routing and local partnerships can reduce costs and ensure timely restocking. Maintenance operations are a critical component of global success. You'll examine strategies for training local technicians, establishing service schedules, and using technology for remote diagnostics. Quick response to technical issues improves customer satisfaction and protects revenue streams. You'll also study how to implement standardized procedures across countries while allowing flexibility for local conditions. Clear protocols for operations, reporting, and problem-solving help maintain quality and consistency at scale. By the end of this module, you'll understand how to manage international logistics and maintenance effectively. You'll be equipped to keep your machines running smoothly, reduce operational disruptions, and deliver a reliable experience to customers worldwide. Module 10. Measuring Performance and Scaling Sustainable Global Growth. In this module, you'll learn how to evaluate your international vending operations and implement strategies for long-term growth. Expanding globally is not just about entering new markets. It's about continuously monitoring performance, optimizing operations, and making data-driven decisions that ensure sustainable success across regions. You'll explore key performance indicators, KPIs, for international vending, including sales per machine, inventory turnover, maintenance efficiency, and customer satisfaction. Understanding these metrics helps identify which markets are performing well, which need improvement, and where new opportunities exist. Data analysis is central to scaling efficiently. You'll learn how to use technology to collect and interpret real-time information from machines worldwide. These insights enable smarter product selection, pricing adjustments, and marketing campaigns tailored to specific regions, ultimately maximizing revenue and profitability. Risk management is another critical aspect of sustainable growth. You'll study how to anticipate challenges such as economic fluctuations, supply chain disruptions, or regulatory changes, and develop contingency plans. Maintaining flexibility while adhering to strategic goals ensures your business can adapt to unexpected conditions. Continuous improvement and innovation will also be emphasized. You'll explore how to refine processes, adopt new technologies, and respond to evolving consumer trends. Staying ahead of market developments allows your vending business to maintain a competitive edge in a crowded global landscape. By the end of this module, you'll have the skills to measure, analyze, and enhance the performance of your international vending operations. You'll be prepared to scale your business strategically, expand sustainably, and achieve long-term success in the global marketplace. Conclusion: In conclusion, the International Expansion of Vending Machine Businesses course has provided a comprehensive roadmap for taking a vending operation from a local venture to a global enterprise. You've explored the complexities of international markets, learned to identify profitable regions, and understood the critical importance of adapting products to diverse consumer preferences. Expanding globally requires more than ambition. It demands research, planning, and cultural awareness to ensure long-term success. You've learned that understanding the global vending landscape is foundational. Each market operates under unique economic, social, and technological conditions, and recognizing these differences allows you to position your business strategically. Cultural sensitivity, local trends, and consumer behavior are just as important as operational efficiency when entering new regions. The course has emphasized the role of technology in scaling operations. Smart vending systems, remote monitoring, and cashless payments are essential tools that enable efficient management across borders. Leveraging these technologies not only reduces operational challenges, but also provides data-driven insights that guide inventory management, marketing, and customer engagement. Legal compliance, taxation, and regulatory understanding were also highlighted as non-negotiable elements of international expansion. Successfully navigating these areas ensures your operations remain lawful, sustainable, and capable of avoiding costly pitfalls. By establishing proper frameworks, your business gains credibility and stability in each market it enters. Partnerships, logistics, and maintenance strategies were presented as critical components for growth. Collaborating with local suppliers, service providers, and distributors streamlines operations, enhances efficiency, and mitigates risk. A reliable supply chain and consistent maintenance practices ensure machines are operational, customers are satisfied, and revenue streams remain strong. Finally, measuring performance and adopting continuous improvement strategies are essential for sustainable growth. Monitoring key metrics, responding to market trends, and refining processes allows your vending business to remain competitive internationally. With the knowledge gained in this course, you are now equipped to plan, launch, and manage successful global vending operations with confidence.